Welcome, Santee. I'm John Shellhammer, the Special Events Coordinator with the Parks and Rec Department, here with some exciting news for you about Mast Park. Santee's oldest park is undergoing a total transformation. A $12 million renovation project will improve access, recreation options, and security while keeping the park's nature-oriented charm. The outdated facilities will be completely replaced with brand new modern facilities. A new 9-hole disc golf course will be the premier course in Southern California. A concession stand with picnic tables in the center of the park will be a hub for social activity. There will also be a brand new dog park with 3 areas, one for puppies, one for small dogs, and another for large dogs. Brand new drought-tolerant landscaping will be throughout the park, along with a lighted walking trail so you can feel safe and get your steps in even in the winter. Construction is expected to be completed in late 2019, so you'll soon be able to enjoy a brand new Mast Park. Hey Santee, thanks for watching. The future is definitely bright here in Santee. We hope you can see it because we definitely can.